Ban Nen Suwan School is located in village number 15 Ban Nen Suwan, Ban Dong Sub-District, Chatakan District, Phitsanulok Province. Nowadays, Ms. Sukanya Khonsarn is the school director and Mr. Rasak Thongklung is the school's deputy director. Ban Nen Suwan School is a middle-sized opportunities extension school. It teaches from kindergarten to lower secondary school. There are 11 classrooms. In the 2024 academic year, there are 128 students in total. There are 22 students in the kindergarten level, 72 students in the primary school level, and 34 students in the lower secondary school level. There are a total of 20 personnel, administrators, teachers, and educational personnel. Ban Nen Suwan School promotes learning for learners in the dimensions of characteristics and quality, physical, mind, and multiple intelligence. Organize the environment, create an atmosphere that is conducive to learning both inside and outside the classroom. To be clean, convenient, safe, and learning space with a learning ecosystem. To be consistent with the response to the vision within the academic year 2026, Ban Nen Suwan School aims for quality education, create opportunities with learners' potentials as the foundation. To be able to learn, have the competence and characteristics of learners in the 21st century, have a sense of love of their locality under the organizations of a quality learning ecosystem towards sustainable development goals. School motto is good behavior, has this group line, Street for Truth, Preserve Life to Learn, Aim for Democracy, Care for the Environment, and Help Yourself and Society. School Philosophy ชีโวจะพหุชโนจะสิกเขภาวิโตโหนตุ Education is the development of life and society. Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) is the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development as a plan of action for people, planet, prosperity, peace, and partnership. It comprises of 17 Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). These goals are indivisible and encompass economic, social, and environmental dimensions. A set of 17 global development goals that have been endorsed by 193 United Nations to be the direction of development according to the goals for the United Nations that have cited the cooperation towards sustainable development by the year 2030. SDG goal number 4 is a commitment to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. Aim to provide children and young people with quality and easy access to other learning opportunities. One of its targets is to achieve universal literacy and numeracy in acquiring knowledge and valuable skills in the learning environment. It also promotes careers and entrepreneurship, emphasizes that everyone receives knowledge, characteristics, necessary skills, and competencies for the 21st century. In the 2023 academic year, Ban Nen Suwan School is a pilot school of the Phitsanulok Primary Educational Service Area Office 3, jointly promote and expand the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). To educational institutions belong the Phitsanulok Primary Educational Service Area Office 3 and develop the quality of education management at Ban Nuan Swan School to develop the quality of students to study well and have quality according to goal number 4, quality education, along with the use of the process of model schools and the framework of 7 good habits. Link and apply the teaching and learning management as a tool to drive morality and ethics to develop good habits and growth mindset for students and to promote various goals through active learning management. Active learning that the school has implemented as follows. Ban Nuan Swan School has implemented goal number 4, quality education, to ensure that everyone has comprehensive and equal quality education and supports lifelong learning opportunities. By conducting activities and organizing learning to develop, promote, and support education management towards the goal of quality education management, according to the goal number 4, quality education as follows. Organize an active learning process that focuses on learners learning through participatory activities, interacting with others, and practicing in a variety of ways, both inside and outside the classroom, because we believe that all learners are equal and can learn and develop themselves to their full potential. Have a learning space with a learning ecosystem, classroom, laboratories, school buildings, and learning resources that are clean, convenient, and safe, with an atmosphere conducive to learning, including the use of clean energy in educational institutions that is inclusive, safe, resilient to change, and sustainable. Students are provided with nutritious, sanitary, and healthy food, clean, convenient, and clean drinking water, and are provided with the promotion of various vocational skills, including vegetable farming, animal husbandry, and trading to generate income while studying, providing valuable work for students. Protecting and restoring the ecosystem within the school using natural resources and conserving the environment sustainably, stopping soil degradation and restoring it to combat climate change and its current impacts. Organizing activities to strengthen institutions including the nation, religion, and the dynasty, which are the main institutions of the nation, instilling responsibility, reducing corruption, and transparency at all levels. Organizing activities to strengthen the prevention of drug abuse both inside and outside the educational institution, cooperating from various sectors that mobilize and share knowledge, public relations campaigning to stop the use of drugs and alcoholic beverages, reduce the spread of AIDS, tuberculosis, malaria, and other infectious diseases for a healthy life, and promote well-being for everyone at all ages. Form the implementation of various activities in the academic year 2023 under the promotion and expansion of the goals for sustainable development. Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) and the implementation of morality and ethics by using the process of model schools as a tool to drive operations, resulting in Ban Nuan Swan School achieving results until receiving awards and achievements as follows. Quality School Award for Early Childhood Science Activities or Little Scientist House from the Princess Mahachakri Sirinthorn Foundation. Good Scout School Award from the Office of the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Education. Safe Educational Institution Award from the Department of Labor Protection and Welfare. Moral School Award, OBEC, 3-star level. Inspection Area 17 from the Sukhothai Secondary Educational Service Area of it. The winner of the Happy Land Happy Hours online activity competition, team category both primary and secondary levels, from the Ban Seng Sawang Club, Warm Family of Thailand. Excellent Student Care System Award from the Pisongrok Primary Educational Service Area Office 3. White School Award or Anti-Drug Award, the gold level, from the Ministry of Education. Smoke-Free and Alcohol-Free School Award, the gold level, from the Pisongrok Provincial Public Health Office. And in 2024, Ban Nen Suwan School received an award from the Department of Climate Change and Environment, Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment, to be an Eco-School Beginner of the year 2024 to 2027. To further develop environmental operations to become an educational institution that promotes and supports students, teachers, and all personnel to be aware of and understand living with natural resources to full potential, manage waste, and increase green space, emphasizing education to further develop careers, including preparing for future change, to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, by 2030. The idea is miracle, but taking action is wonderful. The world can be changed by our hands. Education can be developed through sustainable innovation. The participation of all sectors will enable the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals. Let's join together to create and develop education towards the quality of the learners and the nation. Sukanya Khonsarn, the School Director of Ban Nen Suwan School, the Pisongrok Primary Educational Service Area Office 3. Thank you.